get some furniture, but where can I get it? I think my friend know about this thing.
Don't worry, Fairuza, we have this app. Let me show you.
So first, what you need to do is you go to the Apple App Store or Google App Store and then you search Ikea shopping apps and you install it. After you done install the apps, you open it and you go to this part. So here you can see the list of the products at Ikea store and you choose furniture, wardrobes for example, sliding wardrobes to decor your room. And here you can see the list of the price. Okay, then you pick one. You can see the price. So here you can choose the price that according to your budget, and you also can choose to purchase online or just get it at the nearest Ikea store. And it's done. Happy shopping at Ikea. Just click at the browse product and you search what type of product you want. If you are looking for the bedside table, and then you click at the bedside table and they will show you the result. Or you are looking for the coffee table, so just click on it and it will show you. Easy, right? Let's shopping on Ikea apps.
Go and check out pleasing design at Ikea now.
Let's enjoy shopping with Ikea.
And we find your dream furniture. Install it now!
Happy shopping at Ikea.
Have you installed these apps? Let's go shopping to Ikea. Furniture. Install it now!
Shopping at Ikea now.